Hey guys, David Calloway with Temp here. So it's spring, even though it doesn't quite look like it today. And we know that means a lot of house buying and selling is taking place. And a very important part of buying a house is knowing how old your heating and air conditioning system is in and what shape it is. And while we're always here to answer phones, we love to send techs out to do evaluations and give you kind of an update and a feeling on how your system is doing. If you want to check yourself, I want to show you how. So every single system has model number and a serial number, and every single manufacturer puts the date of manufacture in the serial number. So you may have to Google the model number to figure out who makes it, and then a simple search like how to read Carrier serial numbers, how to read Lennox serial numbers, how to read Goodman serial numbers will give you the key. So this is a Carrier 3103. That means the 31st week of 2003 is when this machine was manufactured. I've got a door panel here from an outdoor unit. Same thing, it's a Carrier serial number 32nd week of 2002 is when it's manufactured. It's important to know because most manufacturers only have a parts warranty on their systems for 10 years. And oftentimes, if it's not registered or if you're a subsequent owner, that warranty may only last 5 years. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd love to help.